Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a summary of findings in a research paper. Crafting an effective summary is crucial for conveying your research's impact. We will cover the essential steps to distill your complex work into an accessible overview. This guide will help you highlight your most important discoveries, ensuring readers grasp the core message of your extensive research. Your summary should clearly state the research problem and then immediately present the answers you found. Focus on the 2 or 3 most impactful discoveries, explaining what they mean. Avoid introducing new information. Instead, synthesize what is already discussed in your paper. This section is about clarity and impact, making your key contributions undeniable. A well-structured summary guides your reader effortlessly through your findings. Begin with a broad statement, then narrow down to specific results. Consider organizing your points from most to least significant or by the order of your research questions. Aim for a logical progression that builds understanding, ensuring each point flows naturally into the next. To make your summary truly effective, aim for brevity without sacrificing clarity. A good rule of thumb is to keep it between 100 and 300 words, depending on the paper's length. Read it aloud to catch awkward phrasing and ensure it flows well. Always double-check that your summary accurately represents your full research paper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.